welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're tearing down a literally monumental shift in the tech landscape. We are talking about NotebookLM 2026, and trust me, this is the rise of the AI operating system.
But seriously, think about this for a second. What if Google quietly built the ultimate AI operating system right under our noses? We're not just talking about studying for an exam or taking meeting notes anymore. No way. We're talking about a complete, end-to-end AI workspace with features that feel like they are straight out of the future.
For the longest time, people thought this was just a basic note app. Helpful? Sure. But revolutionary? Not exactly. But Google absolutely changed the game here. So what we have now is a complete AI workspace. It is no longer competing with simple note-taking apps. It's literally competing with your entire workflow. The sheer volume of what this workspace can handle is honestly staggering. You can throw PDFs at it, YouTube videos, dense academic research papers, Google Docs, giant spreadsheets, and yeah, even raw MP4 videos. The AI instantly understands, organizes, explains, and then builds entirely new assets from this massive variety of formats. It's like a giant puzzle, and it just puts it all together for you. Section 1. Curing information overload. The classic modern worker's dilemma is total chaos, right? Just messy folders and lost files everywhere. Most of us don't actually lack information. We just have way, way too much of it. But NotebookLM now solves this completely automatically. Your files are instantly grouped into auto-categorized AI tags without you having to make a single manual click. The magic threshold here is exactly 5. Once you upload 5 or more sources, the AI basically takes the wheel. You just upload your articles, startup reports, maybe a few YouTube transcripts, and the system automatically generates clean, intuitive categories like business ideas or marketing strategies. Honestly, it's an absolute game changer. Moving on to Section 2, Deep Research Mode. Say hello to your new AI employee. Instead of manually clicking through dozens of websites and losing your mind, you just give NotebookLM a prompt. It searches the web, reads through multiple sources, synthesizes all that data to build a cohesive research plan, and then creates a fully structured report added straight to your notebook. This specific workflow alone saves hours every single week. But of course, why should you actually trust that report? Well, because it is entirely source-grounded. Unlike those random chatbots online that hallucinate weird facts, NotebookLM connects its answers strictly back to the actual material you provided. It makes the AI incredibly safe and reliable for high-stakes, serious professional work. Section 3. Dynamic AI Mind Maps. You see, static, generic diagrams don't actually help you solve specific problems. But Google upgraded this feature to give you total control. So now you can build the mind map around your specific goal. You can literally prompt the AI to map out something like customer pain points from a massive 300-page book, and it instantly builds a custom visual just for you. Section 4. Instant Video Presentations. Okay, Google just pulled off an absolute magic trick here with video overviews. Get this, you upload raw text like PDFs, research, or scattered notes. Instantly, the AI synthesizes all of that text and generates custom slides, complete with narration and visual storytelling. It's basically PowerPoint, an AI narrator, and an expert explainer, all combined into one single system. And the best part? You have total creative control. You can pick your exact visual style, professional, anime, sketch notes, or educational. Then you just export it as an MP4 or a PPTX file. You can literally take 10 hours of dense research and turn it into a ready-made video or training module in a matter of minutes. Which brings us to Section 5, the ultimate learning machine. The new quiz system is incredibly smart. It automatically saves your progress, tracks your weak areas, forces you to retry missed questions, and marks mastered concepts. Because let's face it, traditional studying with static flashcards is fundamentally broken. So this new adaptive learning acts as a highly personalized AI tutor, adjusting based entirely on what you are actually struggling with. Section 6, Audio Overviews on the Go. You can now turn your notes into offline, personalized AI podcasts. With the official mobile apps rolling out, you can generate these audio conversations and listen to your study material while walking, driving, or hitting the gym. It is for sure the ultimate lifestyle productivity hack. Section 7, the Gemini ecosystem. Here's the thing for professionals. A standard, generic AI chatbot is helpful, but it doesn't really know you or your business. Integrating NotebookLM with the Gemini ecosystem changes everything by creating a totally private AI knowledge base. Your assistant is now trained exclusively on your brand voice, your files, and your projects. This is exactly where AI stops being a fun toy and becomes actual hard-hitting business infrastructure.
And finally, Section 8, the future of productivity. NotebookLM is no longer competing with note-taking apps. It's competing with entire workflows. Think about that for a second. We are witnessing a massive paradigm shift. AI tools are evolving far beyond simple chatbots into comprehensive knowledge operating systems. Whoever controls knowledge workflows completely controls productivity. And right now, Google is moving extremely fast to take the lead. Which brings me to my final question for you. Would you use NotebookLM as your main AI workspace, or do you still prefer tools like ChatGPT or Claude? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this explainer helpful, make sure to hit subscribe. We are breaking down complex tech topics like this every single week. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next one.